Let's learn how to create a color palette from any photo and permanently save it to Illustrator in this super simple tutorial. In a new document, go to File, Place, locate the image you'd like to draw the color palette from, so mine is in my DWD Images folder, select it and click Place. Just click on the canvas to place in the photo. Let's drag this down a touch and press the Embed button at the top. Now go to Window, Image Trace to bring up your Image Trace panel. And in the presets, let's select Low Fidelity Photo. Press OK. And with the preview checked on, Illustrator will automatically trace this. We can further refine this by going to Palette, Limited, and finally reducing the number of colors. So this really depends on how many colors you want, but I think anywhere in the range of 10 to 15 colors is enough. So let's just say bring this down to 12. Once the trace is complete, click X to collapse the image trace panel, keep the trace photo selected and go to Object, Expand, press OK, and now come to your swatches panel. You can find this in the right-hand bar, but if you can't find it, go to Window, Swatches. With the image selected, select New Color Group. Make sure Selected Artwork is selected. Let's call this Parrot. Click OK, and now this color group has been added to my swatches. If we want to save this color group to Illustrator, select Swatch Libraries menu, Save Swatches. So save your swatch file. So I've already got one from earlier, Parrot 1, so let's call this Parrot 2, and click Save. So that swatch is saved. And now if I test this, so if I go to File, New, and create a new document, so if I come to my swatches panel here, you'll see I've just got my default swatches. So if I want to load in the Parrot 2 swatch, come to Swatch Library, come down to User Defined. There's the two I've saved. So let's select Parrot 2. Let's pull out Parrot 2. There is my saved Parrot swatches. And if I check that, I can add this then to my standard swatches as well and collapse this panel. So there you have it. That's how to take any photo, create a color palette from it, and save it to Illustrator to be used at a later date. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.